In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and manage spaces on Perplexity AI. By creating and generating content or charts in spaces, you'll be able to specify your charts into various categories. So in short, spaces are just organized categories on which you will work on your charts. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so instead of just searching for content without being organized, the best way to organize your charts is to go ahead and put them in spaces. So if you click on spaces here, you will have an option here to create your own space. So to create, go ahead and click on create a space. Here, give your space a name, and under this space, you can even add links as you wish. And now you can allocate these for all work queries. From here, you can go ahead and start asking questions and get responses by just clicking on this. And now these responses will be in this workspace. To see all your spaces, go back to spaces here, and you should be able to see your current space. If you wish to add another space, go ahead and click on it here. Give your space a name. For instance, this can be business, and you can customize your space by giving it a logo or an icon. For instance, we can add an emoji here. So I can add this and it will be under my space. Once you're done here, you can now ask all business related questions under this thread. So that's how you can create spaces in Perplexity AI. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.